All right, to start out with, I want to let you know that I am not looking for the biggest bird. I am strictly a meat hunter. So if a Jake comes in, I will shoot. And you'll see in this video how this went down. Give you some backstory on it. The day previous, me and my daughter went hunting. We had one goblin, he just wouldn't come in. So me and Wes went back on this day, and this is how it went.
The big one's coming. I think, is he? Or do you leave?
He's not coming.
Hmm?
He's not coming.
He is?
No.
No? If you want to take one, take one.
You got it. First turkey of the 2020 season. Not a big bird, but it was a fun bird, so that's all that mattered, really. Wes, tell me what you saw from your perspective, sitting over by that tree.
Well, I saw what I thought was 4 big birds and ended up being Jake's, and then the big birds were up on top of the hill with a hen. Jake's finally decided to come in and play. Pretty good, put on a pretty good show.
How many birds were out in the field?
On,
8?
7 or 8.
strutting.
Yeah, 7 strutting. So good, good morning.
I don't know if they were going to keep going that way. I mean, they saw the decoys, but they kept going that way till Wes had to hit them a little bit, and they come running and beat the decoys up. So to save the decoy, I went ahead and took him out. But that's really all that mattered. I mean, it was the experience, not the size of the bird. So I was out here with my good buddy, killing a bird. That's what mattered.
Good times.
All right, well, we're gonna get him back and clean him up and eat him for supper.
There you go.
All right.